folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to give you guys some first burn temperature readings on the MBS Olympia. I give you guys these readings using a digital thermometer. I actually have two different types of guns. This one only goes up to, I believe, like 600 degrees, and anything past that it wouldn't read. This one I think is in the 2000 plus degree range. It's a bit more. But I do recommend, even if you're just a general homeowner, you can get one of these lower temperature range, for like $15 to $20, and I highly recommend it because it's very helpful to have to gauge your temperatures, to gauge your wall temperatures as well, to make sure that nothing's getting too hot, and to help you learn, especially if you're new to wood cooking and baking. It can be very, very helpful. So today I'll take you through our low, our medium, and our hot temperature readings. Okay, so my fire is like completely burned down just about with my half a box of kindling, and that was about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna head into my medium burn, but I wanna give you guys some temperature readings. On the top of the stove, the center cook plate is at 202 degrees. At the back is at 111 degrees. Top side panel 66. Bottom side panel 59. Firebox door is sitting at 290 degrees. Yeah, the stove is not too hot yet. Okay, I'm about 20 minutes into my medium burn now, which is about 40 minutes into my total burn, I would say. And yeah, somewhere in that range, I would say 35 to 45 minutes in that range. I'm gonna update you guys with my temperature readings. Top plate is now at 319 degrees in the center. The rear is at 222 degrees. I should actually give you these readings. There's nice little air slots at the top of the cooktop here, and I can really feel the heat pushing out of here, which is nice. That's that convection style heat. The air coming out is sitting at 211 degrees, so yeah, that's nice. Top of the side panel's at 101 degrees. Bottom panel sitting at 62 degrees. Our firebox door is reading 473 degrees. The oven door is reading 274 degrees. Let's get some temperatures inside this oven. Back of the oven's at 475. 463 on the right hand side. Left hand side's at 453. Bottom of the oven is sitting at 520 degrees. So that's the thing about these stacked models. I'll definitely say that is that the oven really gets up to temperature. I noticed that when burning the T-Bow models. So if you are a person who is looking to have a stove and you want to do a lot of cooking and get your baking oven up to temperature, having a stove with the baking oven located above the firebox is a really great way to go to have the option to do your wood baking really quickly with a small amount of wood. I am probably about 35 minutes into my hot burn, and I'm going to give you guys some temperature readings right now. My stove has been burning, by the way, for about 2.5 hours total now. My top panel is sitting at 450 in the center cook plate. The rear center is at 326. Top area around is sitting at, around 400 degrees, and it's solid 400. Top right corner is at about 350, 462. So you could definitely cook some food above the oven. Top panel sitting at 161. Bottom panel's at 77. Oven. The oven handle is not as hot, but I for sure want to point out that the firebox handle is too hot to touch. You need to have a mitten or a leather glove or something. Do not grab it. Okay, side is too hot for this thermometer. 686 degrees on the left-hand side. 685 degrees on the right-hand side. Top of the oven's at 645. Back of the oven's at 634. Bottom of the oven is at 719 degrees. So there's one rack level inside this oven that's just slightly off. Let me give you that pan reading. That pan is reading at 672, 675. All right, those are going to be our hot temperature burn readings during our first burn process. I hope that this video was helpful for you guys today. I really do my best to answer all of your guys' questions up front before you're making your purchase. So if you guys have additional comments, things that you'd like me to cover, drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless. Have a wonderful day.